Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of tutorials on Python programming. I am Deepak Unial. In previous tutorial, I talked about reading, writing and appending a file. And now I am going to cover one of these problems. So first problem is copy text from one file to another file. So how we are going to do that? Let's go down and talk about this first problem. So let's understand the problem first. So we have file 1 and it had some content, maybe Python and Java. Now we have another file and it's empty. So basically we'll create a Python program, and this Python program will get the text from this file and copy the text to another file. So first line is Python and another is Java. Clear? So I hope you understood the problem now. So how can you tackle this problem? So let's understand it step by step. So first is open the file. So what you have to do, one is file name, which is not a big problem, but then there is a mode, and as you know that mode is basically reading and writing. So if you want to read, you have to use R, and if you want to write, you have to use W. So just look at these files and you will find out that we are using this first file for reading only purpose, and we are using this second file for the writing only purpose. So what we can do, just you use this file or open this file in read mode and open this file in write only mode. So let's start with first one. We'll use with the statement with open, and we'll write file name here. Consider it as a variable which has name of file, so don't worry much about it. So with open, file name R as file1, or you can write f1 only. So when we have read this file or we have opened this file, we can now use read method to read the content of this file, and we can store this thing in data, right? So now we have content of this file in this variable which is data. Clear? And you can do data equal to empty string above. So basically this file is opened and closed. After this you have to open another file. For that you can write with open and then file name, or maybe what you can do, we can write file name 2 here and open it in write mode as f2. So what we have to do, we have to use f2 dot write, and then we have to pass some data here which we have got here, and now this statement will write all the data from this file to this file. We don't need to close this file because we are using with statement, and now the program is done, right? There is another method of doing that. Second method, and in the second method open multiple files with single with statement. So how can we do that? With open, and basically we have file name as first file, and it is being opened in a read mode, and its handler is F1. Put a comma here and then write open second time, file name 2, write W as F2. Now we have F1 and F2 together, right? We have opened both the files. One is F1 and another is F2. So what we can do, we can either write data equal to F1 dot read, and then we can write F2 dot write and can pass data here. So in this way, we have written all the content to second file. So this is just a one line, and in this we have completed our work. Or what you can do, you can just write F2 dot write, and inside this you can pass F1 dot read. So basically here we are reading and directly writing to another file. So this is single Python line that can do this work, right? So I hope you have learned quite a few things here. So one of the thing is how to open multiple files in a single line using one with statement, and then you have combined two lines into one, and here you have omitted this data variable also, so we are saving that extra variable, right? So this is how we can read content from one file and write to another file. I hope you like the content. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.